Sex Pistols bassist Glen Matlock ignited a punk rock war by calling out Trump-supporting punks. Out of nowhere, Matlock slammed modern punks for backing Trump, calling it weird, a comment that echoed through the music scene. This felt like a direct shot, especially with John Lydon's past Trump love, and the tension was palpable. The internet exploded with fans declaring, "Punk used to be anti-establishment," and others defending the evolving scene, but the real shocker came when Matlock endorsed the controversial kneecap. Subscribe to the Celeb Glitch for more punk rock revelations. Were you surprised by Matlock's take?